Hello friends, welcome back. Let's install Power BI and get started. To install Power BI, let's go ahead and open Chrome. Okay. And then just type Power BI in the Chrome. Look for the official website of Microsoft. Go to resources. Go to Power BI Learn, documentation. And here you get download Power BI desktop for free option under the get started category. So you can just click on that. Okay. And then you can start installing the Power BI app. Okay. So for that, you can go to these options. Let me go to download Power BI desktop directly and then install Power BI desktop after download. Use Power BI desktop. So there are various options here. I think we can go ahead and do the install Power BI desktop after download. So click on this. So this will give you the options and information on how to go ahead and do the installation. Okay. So what we can do is we can start downloading by going to download center like this one. Okay, so we are here. Okay, and you can just make sure that you're selecting the language, which is English. There are a lot of other languages, and then click on install, click on download. That's all. Okay, then it asks you for which one you want. You can go for desktop setup or PBI desktop setup. Actually, it doesn't matter. You can go for the first one and click on download. Now you can see that the file is getting downloaded and we'll have to wait for the download to complete. So I'm sure you can follow the same steps, and in the next set of videos we will go for the actual installation process. I'm just waiting for the download to complete. So as you can guess that after the download is completed, you will get the installation file in your downloads folder. I'm just waiting for it to complete. I think we are close to complete. Yes, we have completed the downloading of the installation file. So now let's install. Okay, so I'm sure you can follow the same steps and install it on your system. And once you get the software, we'll start using the software. So the steps are very clearly given here. And if you still want to know how the steps are, then let me explain you once again. You have to just go to Power BI website, go to Power BI Learn, documentation, get started, and download Power BI desktop for free. And here it will actually give you all the information if you select the third option. Okay, like this. So please do these steps, and in the next video we will start using Power BI software. Thank you.